Welcome to our step-by-step guide on investing in the booming cannabis industry. With the growing legalization and increasing acceptance of cannabis, it's a lucrative opportunity for investors. Step number 1, educate yourself. Before diving into the world of cannabis investments, educate yourself about the industry. Understand the legal framework, market trends, and the potential risks and rewards. Knowledge is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Step number 2, explore different sectors. The cannabis industry is vast, encompassing various sectors. From cultivation and production to retail, choose which sector aligns with your investment goals. Each sector has its own opportunities and challenges, so research and evaluate before making a decision. Step number 3, analyze companies. Once you've chosen a sector, it's time to analyze individual companies. Look for strong management teams, a track record of success, and financial stability. Dive deep into their business models, competitive advantages, and growth potential. Step number 4, assess regulations. Cannabis regulations can significantly impact investments. Keep an eye on changes in legislation, licensing procedures, and compliance requirements. Understanding the legal environment will help you navigate any potential obstacles. Step number 5, diversify your portfolio. As with any investment, diversification is key. Spread your investments across different cannabis companies and sectors. This will help mitigate risk and maximize potential returns. Step number 6, stay informed. The cannabis industry is constantly evolving, with new trends, technologies, and regulations emerging. Stay informed through industry news, conferences, and networking. Being proactive will keep you ahead of the game. Remember, investing in the cannabis industry carries risks, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Seek advice from financial professionals to make sure it aligns with your overall investment strategy. Thank you for watching our step-by-step guide on investing in the booming cannabis industry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Happy investing!